what you might not know about CTE.
Work on all different types of vehicles, do all different types of repairs. Today what you see in here is we're actually doing the preventive maintenance services for the Board of Education's vehicles. We're doing any type of repair that they need, actually looking over the vehicles to see if any future repairs that they may need over the next 3 to 4 month period before they would come back in again.
I like to figure out what's wrong with things and fix things, machineries, gears, all that kind of stuff just really interests me. And I enjoy being able to take something that's broken and then at the end of the day, look at it, work, and be fixed again.
Like growing up as a kid, I grew up around cars, people building them, fixing them, racing them sometimes. And it was just like something I really liked and I was into. And so when I found out about this program, I was really excited to take it.
There you go, hon.
You know, I recommend the program for all students. You know, I wish there was some way that every student in the county could come through a CTE program because I think they would get a lot out of it. The things that we do here, once again, the facilities and equipment, it's everyday life is what we teach.